morning guys. So for our first top 10 of the year, this will be yung top 10 favorite bikes ko na pwede mabili ngayong 2019. Maybe a top list ng bikes, pero more of a personal choice sa akin. Big bikes lang to. So sa mga nagbabalak mag-upgrade, new year, new decade, ito na yung chance nyo. May short review per bike, specs rin. So hopefully you find the right bike na para sa inyo, kasi I know this came from your hard-earned money. Top 10 bikes na ma-recommend ko this year, mga big bikes to. So before I show the video, make sure to hit subscribe and smash that bell button. So here it goes guys. Check this video out.
Taas talaga yan. Taas pa nga sa CFMoto.
Hi, Ma'am Ochi. Good evening. Sir, pwede ba pa-start isa? Mabilis lang.
Very good.
Isa lang. Thank you po. Hi guys. So, today we're gonna check out the new Ninja 636 Kawasaki Grip. Medyo matagal na itong inaabangan dahil ngayon lang magkakaroon ng locally dito yung Kawasaki ng 4-cylinder na middleweight sport bike. So check it out. Monster name and 803cc engine, this Ducati is a surprisingly beginner-friendly bike. The engine, while torquey, isn't twitchy or too aggressive, and is usable in pretty much most daily situations. It puts out 73 horsepower for highway use and more than enough for street duties. The Desmodromic L-Twin might not sound as loud as its bigger brethren do until you really rev it out, but that's easily remedied by an aftermarket exhaust, like in this one.
Gagawin mo?
Start ko lang ng konti gano'n, tapos
Ay, hindi pwede. Hindi one quick start pag malamig. Okay lang yun.
Super sports are all about performance, but that doesn't mean we don't pay attention to looks. Not surprisingly, the new R6 gets a greater family resemblance to the new R1 with the same beady LED headlights and wind tunnel tail section. But beyond tuning the looks, Yamaha claims the new R6 bodywork makes it the most aerodynamic production motorcycle they've ever built. The 2017 Yamaha YZF-R6 has had its horsepower number officially released. 116.7 horsepower at 14,500 RPM. The traction control offers the rider 6 levels of intervention and can be turned off. Also added is what Yamaha calls D mode, which lets the rider choose from 3 different throttle response maps to suit the riding conditions or personal preferences. Of course, it also has ABS. Yamaha updated the front suspension on the R6 quite simply by bolting on the same 43mm KYB inverted fork that's used on the R1, but with different settings. The R6 has always been among the raciest and most track-oriented supersports, and Yamaha pointed out that it has won 21 AMA professional road racing titles over the last 13 years.